everyone, this is Katie with DEK Designs, and today I'm going to be showing you our February mystery kit. I'm super excited to show you this month's mystery. I do want to let you know that spots are now open for March's mystery kit. And if you have not subscribed to our mystery kit, but you would like to, and you like kind of the style of our stickers in this video, you should for sure sign up. I put a link in the description below so you can check out the listing and all the extra details of it. But without further ado, I'm going to jump into this mystery kit. Okay, so February's mystery kit, the extra bonus goodie that we have is the washi paper sampler page, and on this page we have a couple of different watercolor swatches and silver foil accent pieces. So we have a few like little washi strips that have some clovers on it. We have some florals and like a little floral with like a tape on it over there. This box says relax, unwind, renew. And then over here, I like this a lot. It's kind of like a grid paper torn edge sticker. Now let's look at the rest of the kit. The first page are full boxes. I love the colors of this month. It's very like fresh and calming and rejuvenating, and I think that really fits with this kit. So we have like some light pastel greens, blues, and purples with the silver foil. The first box we have some lavender and then some like essentials for relaxation. We have like an eye mask, it looks like a blanket underneath that, a journal, and then lavender. This box says relax, renew, refresh. That's the goal for the month for sure. And then we have over here, it looks like maybe some skincare and nail polish. Then we have, and I'm totally forgetting the name for some reason of what this is, but it's like a little setup where you have like your mirror with your makeup and fragrances and stuff like that. And then we have a bathrobe, we have a bathtub scene. I wish I had a bathtub like that. That looks so relaxing. And then we have a basket with some like lotions and self-care stuff. So this is the first page. And then after that, this page, we have our Monday through Sunday stickers with some washi strips. I really love the lotuses, the foiled lotuses on here. Then we have a few other full boxes. So we have a scene here of like a journal, and we have different mugs with like maybe some water and tea. I love having different drink varieties next to me when I'm working during the day or just journaling. We have the Monday through Sunday box for tracking. You can track your meals, you can track your workouts, your steps, water intake, anything like that. And then over here we have a couple of ripped edge pieces on here that I'll show later on my spread. The heart date dots, weekend script, and then some journal foil stickers. Then we have our flags and our three checklist boxes and some dots below there, little movie sticker for tracking, for showing what you're watching for that week maybe. We have some thinner washi down here, the half scallop circles, the bow dividers, and scallop dividers. The functional page, I love the clovers. The headers and glitter headers, the icons and the fashion girl boxes. So she's doing some yoga over here, maybe walking to like a Pilates class, and then some just relaxation. Maybe that's like a lemonade she's drinking, lavender lemonade. And then over here, maybe some like yoga / gardening mindfulness. And then the last page is the deco page. We have some fashion girls, and then we have some artwork that you saw from earlier. We have the clovers, the lavender. I love her workout outfit. I love the colors, the bluish purple, lilac, lavenderish color, some nail polish, coffee, all that good stuff. So this is the full kit for the mystery kit. So now I'm going to create a spread. So I'll jump ahead and I'll show you what this can look like in your planner. Okay everyone, this is my final spread using the February mystery kit. I absolutely love how it turned out. And I'm the type of person that I really like having a really like busy spread where there's not a lot of like white spaces myself. But you can definitely customize your spread however you want with these stickers. You could stretch these stickers out for more than just 1 week. I also just really like to have as much as I can on my spread to kind of show all the stickers that we have. So like over here on the dashboard section, I have those corner piece stickers that I was showing from earlier, and then I have a couple of dots to like accent that box area. And then the Monday through Sunday I'm going to use for tracking my walks that I do. And then for each day I have at least one like to do today like header. Over here I use some of those dots from one of our other pages to list off things, just so it's not all the 3 checklist boxes. So we have the boxes, and then I also have the dots, and then I use the flags as well, just to really like mix things up a bit. And then I'm going to show you what I have left of my stickers. So I did use the full washi paper sampler sheet. I still have some dividers left, some headers and glitter headers, deco, the date dots, some more of those boxes. I have a ton of functional stickers left. Icons, I have a box left, and then I use this full page. So shiny. The foil is just absolutely perfect. Let me know what you think of February's mystery kit below in the comments section. Remember, spots are open for next month's mystery kit, so make sure to sign up using the link in the description below if you have not done so yet, because this is exclusive artwork and it won't be available in our shop. It's only for the actual mystery kit subscription. If you love planning and stickers and stationery or journaling, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with shop happenings as well as stay inspired. I hope you have a wonderful month, and I'll see you all again next time. Bye.